Welcome to Radio Platform. This is our 6-week training course, and here's what we do. Radio Platform is a youth-led radio station where we look at radio presenting, structuring and production, broadcast software and setting up a studio. All that gets put together and they present a 10-15 minute show.
We've learned about what it takes to do a news report, how you cue songs, how you make your own jingles and stuff, which is really, really cool.
So I learned a lot about editing and vox pop and interviewing people, and if things all go wrong during a live show, to just keep on talking.
I think it's a great opportunity, it's so much fun. Next I have my own show.
So we're going to be using all the skills we've learned over the 6 weeks to make a little show of our own.
I think it's wonderful that there's such an opportunity for young people. They get thrown in at the deep end. I've seen some of the things they've been doing during Festival of Voice. Interviewing people you've never heard of before or met before. Learning to live and work with other people as a team.
We also think it's really important to link young people with the wider community, to get involved in making videos, get involved in volunteering, in projects, in rapping, in events. We try and work out what that young person's interested in and then support them into all these opportunities within the city.
We've certainly featured some of the people who've been part of Radio Platform on the BBC.
For us, we feel it's about the transferable skills that they get with it as well. Teamwork, being able to speak in public.
The idea is that students talk about subjects that they're passionate about.
So it's actually, I think, really about developing young people.
I think the opportunities, the partnerships the Radio Platform have are really exciting to see some of the talent breaking through.